place him on the chair. It's not this kind of chair they use.
Yes. They have.
Good. Yes. This, this is
Yes, this is. Yes, okay. Okay, no.
Don't just say, don't give up.
I know, I'm not giving up. Oh. This is life. That's why there is life, there is hope.
So don't give up.